A boy and his dog friend. Once in a peaceful neighborhood, there lived a young boy named Jack and his loyal dog, Buddy. They were inseparable companions, and wherever Jack went, Buddy followed faithfully by his side. Every morning, Jack and Buddy would wake up early to embark on their daily adventures. They explored the nearby woods, splashed in the sparkling stream, and played fetch in the wide open fields. Their days were filled with laughter and joy as they discovered the wonders of the world together. One sunny afternoon, as they were wandering through the woods, they stumbled upon a hidden cave. Curiosity got the better of them, and they ventured inside. The cave was dark and mysterious, but Jack felt safe with Buddy by his side. As they delved deeper into the cave, they found a glimmering crystal nestled within a small alcove. The crystal emitted a soft, radiant light that filled the cave with a magical glow. Amazed by its beauty, Jack picked it up and showed it to Buddy. Little did they know that the crystal possessed a unique power. It granted the person holding it the ability to communicate with animals. Suddenly, Jack was astonished to hear Buddy's thoughts in his mind. They could now understand each other's feelings and thoughts, strengthening the bond between them even further. From that day on, Jack and Buddy shared a special connection like never before. They spent hours talking and laughing, sharing secrets and dreams that only true friends could understand. With the newfound power, Jack and Buddy became heroes in the neighborhood. They helped lost animals find their way back home, comforted scared birds during thunderstorms, and even resolved minor disagreements among the forest creatures. But one day, a stormy night brought trouble to the peaceful neighborhood. A family of lost kittens was stranded on a tall tree, unable to climb down. Jack and Buddy rushed to the rescue, using their unique connection to communicate with the frightened felines. Together, they devised a plan to rescue the kittens, and with Buddy's help, Jack climbed up the tree and brought the kittens safely down one by one. The grateful family of kittens nuzzled against Buddy and Jack, and the entire neighborhood applauded their bravery and kindness. As the years passed, Jack and Buddy continued their adventures, helping others and spreading kindness wherever they went. Their extraordinary bond inspired everyone around them to cherish the special friendships in their lives. And so, Jack and Buddy's friendship became a legend in the neighborhood, a tale of loyalty, bravery, and the incredible power of true friendship. As the sun set on another beautiful day, Jack and Buddy lay down under the stars, their hearts full of gratitude for each other. With a wag of his tail and a contented sigh, Buddy knew that he had found his forever friend in Jack, and Jack knew that he had found a friend in Buddy that he would cherish for a lifetime.
Subscribe the channel for more such videos.